So this is good. Okay. So we're talking about isolation, and these are the problems. What do you do about it? In my latest book, I talked about, um, I gave some resources, a 7-day, 30-day social detox, talking about a sabbatical. What, and I'm going to spend a little time talking about that before we start talking about withdrawal. Well, if you are spending more time on your cell phone or on video games or on your hobbies, and you are not spending, you don't have face-to-face interactions, you're not interacting with, you don't see their teeth, you're not making memories, I would encourage you to take a 7-day detox. That's going to be difficult. I found, leading up to writing the book, looking at the people that were participants in this, the framework of this, so it just wasn't an experience of my own. What I found was it is more difficult to detach from that phone than it is your wallet, your favorite food, your favorite TV show. Why? Because so much of our world is integrated into that phone. And so what we found is that you're never going to get to a 30-day detox unless you get to a 7-day detox. And most people struggle. Completely transparent, most people struggle getting past day 3. Now, we see this around Mardi Gras or Easter. People, they give up their, I'm going to give up alcohol. I'm going to give up, donuts, and it's my thing. But the reality of it is, it's easier to do all of that than to give up that phone. Let that sink in. So what do we do? So in my book, Am I Enough? We're talking about tools to build confidence in who we are, because a lot of times we have these negative thoughts centered around who we are and our contributions to society and in the world that we're trying to build. And those are real things. Your thoughts impact your actions, and your actions shape your destiny, right? So in the book, though, I would encourage you to go and look at the 7-day detox. Just commit to a 7-day detox. Make it a thing with your friend group. Make it a thing at your office. We're going to get off the phone for 7 days.